artistic family. It's really different from me painting on a big square. I usually do rectangles. I am using a 2-inch really soaked foam brush that I keep in a Ziploc bag so it's really moist, and of course I have dry ones if I want that. So I have some fluid black paint by Artist Loft. I'm also going to be using some matte black because I really like the contrast. I have some DecoArt Extreme Sheen for some shimmer. And again, I'm just using my basics like I do in fluid art, and then my gold. So what my idea is I'm just gonna make a couple soft brush strokes, okay, with my 2-inch brush. And then I'm going to use my sponge to go in and make some darker ones. I'm going to do some water dripping, and who else knows, but it's going to be very simple. So let's take our sponge, we're going to dip it, okay, and I'm going to make just a few splashes here. I want some light and some dark strokes. And I really like that. Ooh, I really like that. Love those brush strokes. Okay. Beautiful. Let's just come over here. Oh, that didn't work. It's okay. It's abstract art. Yeah, there we go. And it's so funny, guys, if I was to show you, and I'm not even looking at it, but I have to show you now. I have to show you. Okay, I bought this forever ago. It's absolutely gorgeous, okay? And it's right on my table. You guys might have seen it, and if not, go take a look at my art studio. But look at the shape. Like, I'm not joking with you. Didn't look at it. That wasn't the design in my head, but subconsciously, there we have it. Speaking of brush strokes, I will be doing one of Rinskaduna's. I don't like to imitate exactly, I'd like to be me, but I will be using her inspiration for her botanicals. So that will be one of my artist inspirations coming up soon. So again, make sure your notifications are on. Now we're gonna go ahead, even though this would be just a perfect black and white painting, like I really feel like I could just leave it. And ideally I should. However, because I really want to do what I had in my head per se, I'm gonna continue. Let me just flip this around for a second so you guys can also see it the way that I'm looking at it. And it looks absolutely fantastic. Oh, I just love that. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of follow this pattern a little bit. And yeah, I think I'm gonna work a bit over here. Initially, I said that I wanted to put the display up, but after admiring it, I flipped it around several times and I'm really loving it like this. And you guys can let me know down in the comments as well. I think, I'm pretty sure this is the display that I like best. So flipping it the opposite direction on how I was creating it. Guys, this is so me on a platter, and I'm finding my rhythm here, and I was feeling, you know, in and out and a little bit off balance with my creative direction, and, you know, I kind of go with my elegance and the minimalist and the simplistic modern style that I love. And then there's times that I try new things, and I love to do that, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like it takes me off track and changes my creative mind. And I kind of get off my roots. But this painting and my last one, if you haven't seen it, I will link my modern abstract playlist for you guys to take a look, has really brought me back home. And I feel so revived, guys. I'm so happy. And I'm just so happy I just went for it. I didn't have an exact design in my head. I just kind of, most times with my abstract art, I kind of have somewhat of a visual, but I don't have an exact. And at the same time, it's kind of good because it allows me to grow and just kind of take chances and go for it. And my suggestion to all you guys who are nervous or scared, just put the brush down on the canvas and see what happens. At the very least, you'll learn something and you'll grow as an artist. So thank you so much, guys, for being here. Thank you for sticking with me. I really ask for you to comment and to like and definitely share on all your social medias. It really helps the channel when you comment and like. I appreciate it. This is kind of a team effort here, and it also allows me to know what to do more of and what you like. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.